Today topic is bacterial structure and functions. Bacteria can divide it in two forms, which is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Eukaryotic, which is importance in our human being, which is cause health diseases and helpful for our health, which form in on the surface and the another object. Move to the eukaryotic bacteria, which is no nucleus, no mitochondria and no endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex also known in the eukaryotic bacteria. Talking about the eukaryotic bacteria, they have three layers in form, which is the cell envelope has a cell wall. Cell wall can be divided into two forms, which is gram positive and gram negative bacteria, which protect the bacteria from other bacteria and other viruses. And gram positive bacteria has a thin layer of peptidoglycan and thin layer of in gram negative bacteria. In gram positive bacteria show dye is positive, and in gram negative bacteria dye show as a negative. Move to the cell wall, which help to maintain the shapes in form of the cocci, bacilli and which is a spirilla, and last one is a has no shapes like which called as a pleomorphic. Which talk about the capsule of the cell wall, which protect against the another one, has adhesion in and virulent in nature. Move to the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane has a cytoplasm, viruses, cellulose component, enzyme and molecules. There is a no membrane and no cell. And the plasma membrane contain aqueous nutrients, element of waste, maintained and constant and organized state, and selective permeable barrier of cell wall from another side. They have another function of cell membranes which is has a respiration, photosynthesis and synthetic phospholipids and cell components. Move to the cytoplasm, which is the inner part of a cell wall, which contain rhizosome, which protein synthesis in cell in form of a cytoplasm present, and in a cell plasma membrane also called as cytoplasma, the cytoplasma membrane. Move to the second one, which is name is nucleotides, and another one is a chromosome, which has function is a mostly single in circle and double stranded DNA, with some are the linear or more than one chromosome. Talking about the plasmid, which is in form of in the present in a cytoplasm in a small and double stranded DNA, which is independent in nature, circular or in shapes, few genes, and obtain the conference selective advantages. move to the cell wall, which is bacteria are attached or on the surface which protect the from the bacteria, and bacteria has which attached to the cell wall, which is called as a pili, and some called as the fimbria, which attachment to the cell wall side and which move by the help of a flagella for the momentum. Move to the bacteria, we can conclusion that bacteria which is important for our health and disease causing on the surface of bodies and another things, and bacteria has the three layers, cell wall, cytoplasm and another things. Move to the cell wall, which is a protect of bacteria from outer environment, which form of the gram positive, gram negative and their own shape, bacillus, cookie, there is a shapes. Which can also discuss about the capsule, which is a virulent infector, and also talking about the plasma membrane is present in the cell wall of the bacteria, which is own function is respiration, photosynthesis, synthesis of lipids of cell wall and constituents. Move to the cytoplasm, which has ribosome, nucleotides, genetic material and plasmid. Thank you for watching our video.